This video covers the installation of CameraMatch 2013 for Vectorworks 2014. The installation procedure is very similar on Mac and Windows. Most of this video will be done on the Mac, but I will show the difference in Windows as far as the file download. If needing to install CameraMatch 2013 in Vectorworks 2013, the installation is a different process, and that's covered in a separate video. Okay, so on Windows, I have the file that's downloaded from our website. It's a zip file, and in Windows I'm just going to right click and extract. You may have a different method for extracting the zip file, and I'm just going to save that to the desktop. Okay, so now we have that on our desktop. The folder's here, and this is what's in the download. So if we open this folder, you'll see some other files and folders. There is an installation manual and the user manual. Then we have a folder, and this is actually a folder for installing to Vectorworks 2013, so we don't want to use this folder. For Vectorworks 2014, we need to use this install package, and that's used by the new Vectorworks built-in installer. Okay, so that's the difference in Windows to the Mac. So I'm going to go over to the Mac and show how to get to this install package. Okay, so here on the Mac, we have the downloaded file. It's a DMG file, and we simply double click on the DMG and it'll mount. And here we've got some different sections. This section down here is for Vectorworks 2013. We're interested in the Vectorworks 2014 section. And in there we see that same install package file. So this is the file we're going to be looking for when we go into Vectorworks to the installer. Okay, so let's run Vectorworks 2014. Alright, now to get to the installer, we need to go to the Tools menu, and there's a Plugin submenu over to the Plugin Manager. Okay, so in the Plugin Manager we've got different tabs. We want the center tab, third-party plugins. And in here it'll list any installed third-party plugins, and we have none at this time, so we'll click the Install button. Okay, so now what we need to do is go to that same file, that package, install package, and that's located on that DMG, which is mounted right here. So I'll select that install package and click Open. And once it's installed, you'll have an alert saying installing new plugins require restart of Vectorworks. So that's a bit vague, but it's telling you that it did install them and now you need to restart Vectorworks. So click OK, and they don't show up yet because Vectorworks will not see them until you restart. So let's go ahead and close it and quit Vectorworks, and we'll start it again. Okay, so let's verify that those plugins are there. I'll go back to that Plugin Manager, and now you can see all of the tools and commands. So you should see a total of 6 plugins installed for CameraMatch. Now, while I've demonstrated this part on the Macintosh, the Windows installation is very similar. So the next step will be adding them to the workspace, and that's covered in a separate video.